Alright, welcome back. Now, I think the first or second video I kind of explained this site is a little bit different in structure, specifically when dealing with updating and maintaining in WordPress and how we do things. Basically, WordPress is based on blog posts, editing pages, and editing your banner. Like I said before, your site is mostly links and FAQs and bullets and things like that, so it's much different than a normal site. So to make it easy as possible on you, we had to do things a different way. And specifically, I'm going to talk about pages, and then I'm going to show you how this works section so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Let's go to the back end. And typically, if I was going to make a page, it's any old standard text page, a paragraph of text, maybe an image, for instance, this page with this woman, contact page. Let's just say it's an about page. On the left, I got this photo of her. On the right, I got 2 or 3 paragraphs of text, and that's about it. Your normal about page. You don't really have pages like that. The majority of your stuff are pictures, great, yes, but then all these bullets and these links and a bunch of other things you got going on. I mean, this is dynamic right here. If I click this, it goes down here. So how are we doing that in WordPress? How are we making that easy for you? Well, to do so, we can't just set up a normal page. So normally, I know I'm taking a long way around, but I want to kind of explain some things so you're not wondering why I did things the way that I did them. Normally, like I said, if I was making a page, I would just come to page, I'd do add new, and I would say, about us. I'd come down here, I'd enter all my texts, drop in my pictures, blah, 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 blah. I'd hit save, publish, and that's that. Easy peasy. One and done. But your particular site, as I've been saying, much different, really different, so we can't really do that. We got to kind of break sections up to make it easy for you, because that's just how WordPress is. So specifically, let's point out your home page, and you have the how it works section. All right. So how are we doing that in the editor I just showed you? You got an icon, you got these other things going on. How are we setting that up so it's easy for you? Well, we actually have to call out specific areas, how it works, visas, services, and about. Okay, so I kind of want you to kind of understand what's going on. It's a page, but it's different. All right, so first thing I want to show you is the how it works section. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We look on the home page, obviously 1, 2, 3, 4. And they're in order, and you can see what they're named: free consultation, document submission, so forth and so forth. If you need to edit one of these, click on it. Here's our editor. We're going to see our name. That's our title. That's what we have right here, free consultation. We have our text, right? Here's our link. Let me actually show you one other thing. This far button on the right, if you click this, it's going to open up more options, just in case you need them. There's your text. Here's how we do our link, just like an email. Click it. We'll see that little link thing. We open up the link. And what we see right here is the actual link that's already been added. So if you need to change it, make an update or whatever, you can do that here. But we obviously don't need to do that. Over on the right is the graphic that we're uploading that goes right here. So you can see I have this featured image. So to do that, we simply click this link. It would say upload or add featured image, and then you add it. And I'll remove this one so you can kind of see how it goes. So I'm going to remove this, set featured image. I'm going to click it. I'm going to get my dialog box, and since we already have this image here, I can go to the gallery and pull it. If you needed to get a different one, you would do like I showed in another video, where you could drag your file in, or you could do select file directly from your computer. But we already have this image here, so I'm just going to click gallery, and then right in the middle I see use as featured image. I'm going to click this. I'm done. I can X out, and then that's that. Go back to the front end. If we made a change, make sure we don't have any problems. We don't. Good to go. Okay. Now I'm going to break these sections in, because they're really pages, but they're not. But they are, but they're not. I'm going to break these into multiple sections. Like I said, I don't want to go over all these sections, and videos end up being 15-20 minutes, and then the one part you need is at the end of the video. So I'm going to kind of section this off. That'll do it for this one, and I'll catch you on another one.